this trying to come out of the engine. There's no check engine lights. They checked all the codes on here. First through whatever. It threw a mass airflow sensor code. I replaced that. Car still runs. As you can tell, it's making noise and it's not very much accelerating. After I did spark plugs and wires.